Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to Natural's Growth Secret. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family. If you have not yet joined the family, go ahead to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button. It is absolutely free. Click on it and turn on the bell notification so that when Natural's Growth Secret upload a video, you will not miss it. Today guys is another hair care video. I am going to be sharing with you guys how I made this hair growth portion oil, which is very effective for your scalp in stimulating hair growth. I use one of the most effective active organic ingredients. You guys, this one is amazing, so stay tuned, watch this video to the end, like this video, and please subscribe so we can get to 20k. We are almost a few hundreds away from hitting 20k subscribers, so subscribe. I know we can do it. So we are going to be making use of some organic effective active ingredients, which I said before. All right family, so the first ingredient I will be making use of or sharing with you guys is dried thyme. So I'm going to be making use of thyme because it is a natural and anti-inflammatory properties which help in slowing down the inflammation and irritation of the scalp. It is very helpful at rejuvenating our hair follicles and also soothing our scalp. Thyme dried leaves is very amazing in making use of it, turning it into an oil. So that is what I will be using, and I added in 1 tablespoon of it. I will also be making use of dried cloves bud. Cloves is a very powerful herbal spice. It is used for several beneficial purposes. It enhances hair growth, it enhances hair density. Massaging this oil into your scalp with thyme and clove in it will help in enhancing blood circulation to your scalp, boosting oxygen supply to your roots and follicles, and also it is one of the most important things for a proper hair growth. It helps in eliminating dandruff and improving scalp health as well. So the third active organic ingredient I will be adding to this our oil is rosemary dried leaves. Rosemary is a natural remedy that play an important role in protecting hair and scalp. When you use it regularly, it reduces drying of the hair, and also it protects the follicles from harsh chemicals, and also it contains fatty acids that help in replacing lipids to the hair. So guys, I am going to be making use of rosemary, and also I will be adding in some amazing oil as well, which is olive oil and coconut oil. So I'm making about 100 gram, 80 to 100 gram of oil, just a little batch depending on the amount of oil you will be making. So add according to the quantity of your herbs. So I have made use of 1 tablespoon each of my herbs, and I'm then topping it with my oil. So guys, can you see how beautiful these ingredients are in this jar? So this is the jar I will be using to infuse my herbs. I will be leaving this, I will be doing the hot process method, but you can leave this for a week to infuse. So I am going to be first of all heating this in a water bath on top of my stove to let the herb heat up so that the infusion will be faster. So guys, oils play an important role in protecting your hair, and also it helps in reducing dryness. It helps in protecting our follicles, and also it helps in giving our hair shine and gloss. It keeps the hair feeling healthy and also help in maintaining that shine, and also for styling, treatment, and the oils in generally play a beneficial role in making our hair feeling healthy. Olive oil, which I have used, is rich in fatty acid including coconut oil, which help in penetrating into our hair shaft. I love me some oils which penetrate into the hair shaft and protect our hair from inside to outside, not just sitting on top of the hair, but helping the hair to grow and also keeping our hair healthy from the harsh chemicals from the sun, and also stimulating our scalp. So when you massage this oil, because it contains active herbs, it contains amazing ingredients, amazing herbs that is known to promote growth and keep the hair healthy. When you massage this oil onto your scalp, it will promote and stimulate blood circulation. So after about 30 minutes, I went ahead to sieve the oil. You can leave the oil for extra days for it to ferment or for it to infuse more. So guys, this is the quantity and the amount that we have gotten, and after this part I am going to then add in other amazing ingredients, including vitamin E oil and antioxidants. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant which will help to sustain the shelf life of our oil and also reduce rancidity. So I'm going to also be adding in essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. If you have close to 3 or 2 essential oil, you can use. I will be adding in my vitamin E oil now. I will be adding in my essential oil, which is lavender essential oil. You can add in thyme essential oil, rosemary essential oil. The herbs that I have used in this oil also have essential oil, which will help to boost the effectiveness even more. So you can even get thyme essential oil, rosemary essential oil, and clove essential oil from Amazon or from the pharmacy or nearby supermarket around, which is not even difficult to find. So you can add in 5 drops each to this your hair portion serum or your hair oil. Your scalp will love it. You can use this oil as a massage, use it overnight, once a week, twice a week, depending on how your hair needs it. It is so amazing, guys. Oils play an important role in keeping our hair healthy, and also your hair is not going to suffer from dryness again, and your follicles will be happy. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Please share this video to your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel so we can hit 20k, and also like this video. Leave us a comment below if you enjoyed watching this video or you find it helpful. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye for now, guys.